Yeah, so just here at College Junior, getting our order. Yeah, we're about to head out. Any Wait, let me start over. Alright, so what we got here is Pei's board. So what we're gonna do to it is we're gonna turn this thruster setup into a quad setup. So we're gonna remove the old fins. We're also gonna give him a leash upgrade. After that, we're gonna wax his board as well while we're at it. So right here's my board. It's all waxed up. Got a brand new leash, brand new fin box. Alright, cool. So right here is the stuff you need. You got your 2 fins. I'm gonna add to the quad setup. You need some caulking, the caulking gun, marker, protractor, ruler, drill bits to go with the drill. Alright, so we got Pei over here removing his back fin.
Magic.
Alright, there, that's the first plug out. So we want to save the blue thing because that's where our leash is gonna go to.
What's it called?
I don't know. It's a leash strap thingy.
Not a pro vlogger.
All right.
It's called a clue strap.
Clue strap. Nice. All right. So just take off your old leash, the stock leash. Get rid of that. It's trash. So we gotta cover the holes with the plug them up with masking tape. All right, cool. All right, so Pei's got the caulking gun. He's gonna show us how to set it up.
Just the gun. Sure.
The
scar is ready. The scar.
All right, update. Having a major technical difficulties. All right, Pei, show us what's happening.
Seem to dry up at the tip.
Alright, the caulking has dried up on us. It's old caulking, so that's a waste.
All the way through.
So, new plan. We're not gonna caulk these up. We're just gonna put in the new holes for the quad fins. Alright, let's go.
It's all good, bro. It's all good.
Alright, bet.
A little design on the board. So we gotta make sure everything's perfect. So we're going 4 centimeters because why not, you know? Everything comes in 4s. Does make sense. Alright, Chris, give us some context. What's happening right now?
Alright, so we've marked the holes. So we're about to drill the holes for the quad fins.
Yes, sir, blazer. Oh. Oh, oh. 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 Don't mess it up. Oh. Oh. God damn. What? Look it up, turbo. Run it back, run it back.
Alright, you know what we're gonna do next?
What are we doing next? Whoa, whoa, naughty boy, naughty boy. Whoa. That's my board. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, there's like little bits and pieces of stuff on mine.
She has a name. Buddy, what do you think? Wah, 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 wah. Put it in.
Want to use my fins or you
Put it in. Put it in.
Want to use my fins or yours? Alright, so we're gonna slap on the new fins.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
We're gonna see if they fit.
Bit. Are you bit? Whoa, whoa. You muff.
Alright, so you wanna see?
That's my board. You just ruined my board. You ruined my board.
Alright. We're gonna fix that. Alright, let's test fit. Alright, so we got one fin.
You freaking.
Alright, cool. So we go here. We go here. 3, 2, 1.
You're lucky.
Alright.
You're lucky that one fit. You better hope this one fits for the sake of here. For the sake. Why are you doing that one, huh?
Wait.
Why don't you want to do the other one, huh?
Oh, wait. Are you using your right foot back or left foot back?
My right foot back.
Oh, we should put the leash in here.
Oh, now you're just cutting through it now, huh? Aren't you? Alright, it's good. Chill.
You ready? Oh, let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Gangster. We now have a quad fin.
Alright, so.
And we're back. Ooh.
Alright, so your right foot back, if you're regular, take out these ones and then you're gonna put in the thin strap thingy. LJ?
Sit down, man.
Alright, LJ. Oh, you go.
Whoa.
Alright.
Whoa.
So you got your quad set up right there.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What you gotta
sir.
do next, put on your leash, alright? Not the Wavestorm leash, you gotta go with your Stevie leash.
Oh.
Alright, so what you gotta do is thread the string.
Amazing.